Hi guys, this is Mr. Wineowine, and today I'm going to show you how to make this refreshing Margarita. This is what you'll need. I personally chose Teremana tequila reposado for this margarita. If you want to know more about it, check out this other video. Chill the glass. Pour 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Choose a reposado for more flavor. 1 ounce of orange liqueur. You can use Solerno, triple sec or Cointreau. Don't use simple syrup, but agave for the best flavor. 0.75 ounce of lime juice. Drain the chilled glass and pour the ice in the shaker. Shake hard. If you want a rim around your glass, you can use lime juice with salt or sugar. Pour your cocktail with the dirty ice. Garnish with a lime. Et voilà! If you like the video, give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and santé!